everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily change your desktop wallpaper. So to start, we'll have to go to our search bar and then search for settings. After that, we'll have to tap on this open option. Once we're here on settings, all we need to do is to go to the left part of the screen and then tap on this personalization option. And then after that, it will now show us ways on how we can customize our desktop, from background, colors, themes, and then lock screen. But since we want to change our wallpaper, all we need to do is to tap on this background option. In here, you'll be given a pre-installed photos that you can use for wallpaper. But if you want to upload or use your own photo, all we need to do is to go to this Browse Photos option, and then it will open our File Explorer. In here, all I need to do is to look for the photo that I want and then simply select the photo, and then after that, tap on the Choose Picture option. And in here, as you can see, the photo is automatically added as my wallpaper. So if I go back, as you can see, I now have a new wallpaper here on my desktop. So that's how easy you can change your desktop wallpaper. I hope this video helped you out, and then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss a video on our channel. And I'll see you on our next video.